Get first veneer tree on the 572 extra panty saw.
Professional.
That's the extra panty saw. You get
Professional
extra panties when you run that
Oh,
saw.
you gotta have the panties to go around.
Yeah.
How much? Did you see this? It comes with the goose gauge, right there on the back.
That's a juice gauge?
That's a juice gauge. You got juice in there. It's juicy juice. Great.
Hey, it'll go over there. It'll go over here.
Yeah, this is over there. I don't want to pull on that hard.
You want me to do it? What I thought. Well, you didn't cut your sapwood.
What rolled?
It's because you didn't cut your
I
sapwood.
didn't want to put that. I wanted to put it right there.
You didn't cut your sapwood.
Baby, don't give me that.
You didn't. It wouldn't have tore if you'd cut your sapwood.
Why roll a veneer tree? Why?
Why not cut the sapwood?
Why roll a veneer tree?
Why not cut the sapwood?
Because I don't roll them.
Look what you did.
Oh, I know. That looks terrible.
You even messed the stump up.
Yeah. That stump ain't gonna bring shit down.
All right, you want me to show you how to roll a veneer tree?
God. I don't want to.
Look what you did.
And that was barely gonna make it too.
Give me my wedge.
So it's time for Logger Wade to eat some crow.
Logger Wade did the how not to cut veneer. And now we're gonna learn how to cut veneer.
Okay, because this is the first time, Stevie. Go easy on me.
All right. I gotta go high because somebody's got this tree laying here.
That had been cut off.
Well, somebody laid it up against this veneer.
Yeah, and who takes them away after they're cut off?
All right.
Oh. Oh, yeah? Down from the Kevsky barn. We took that little metal piece out of the way. What's that for?
That's cutting the sapwood, what you didn't do.
Triple hinge. You done cut the bottom of it?
Yeah.
Oh, so can't you start up the tree?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Get your notebook out, write some notes down.
Nice.
Autographs at lunch.
Autographs at lunch? Okay, now Stevie, I've been taking all the notes. I've been writing them down on this piece right here.
All right.
That's what I think about your notes.
That's how you cut veneer.
That's a fine job.
I got all in that dirt, now it's dull again.
Yeah. That's my kryptonite, veneer trees.
Huh?
I hate cutting veneer trees. I'm terrible at it, and he's awesome at it, and it makes me look even worse.
Yeah. It just comes natural.
Does it?
Yeah.
It naturally comes natural to you.
When Mom was squeezing me out,
naturally?
she knew that I was going to be a timber
Was it natural? Did you come out natural?
So I came out going like this.
You did. Oh, good
Mom
job.
said he's happy to get out, and then they
That's
come to
a
find
hell
out
of a
he's happy to
stump
start
there,
saw. That's how you do her, bud.
Yeah, she's done, bud. The question is,
Look at
is
all that
mine
dirt.
even gonna make it?
Look at all that dirt.
Oh yeah, I seen her come in there.
Is what gonna make it?
Mine. Oh, it barely is gonna make it to start with for him done that. It might still make it, but damn.
It would have went if you'd have cut that sapwood.
Maybe, yeah. I should just put it in the damn hole. It should be laying right now. It should be laying right beside that white oak tree.
It don't belong beside mine.
Yeah, it does.
Yours is inbred.
It would be above.
It don't belong beside that beautiful
If you
one.
put a level down, then my tree be sitting just a little bit taller than your tree.
Have you ever went and ate dinner and be an ugly person sit beside your table and make your table look ugly?
They always say that.
I didn't want your ugly tree laying beside my good looking veneer to make my tree look ugly.
All right, let's go to her, bud. Whatever we're gonna do.